Autoglass Canada is an industry leader in windshield repair, servicing the GTA for 15 plus years. We attain an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. Unlike our competitors, we stress the need to repair any chips or cracks rather than replacement. A windshield does 3 things in an accident. It helps you from being ejected, it supports the passenger side airbag when it deploys, and it helps stop the roof from crushing during a rollover. So if the windshield pops out in an accident like this, you lose all the protection. Autoglass Canada technicians are certified professionals using high-quality, original equipment manufacturer windshields, restoring dealership-quality windshield replacement. Approaching every job like our last, safety is our #1 priority. Find out how Autoglass Canada can be beneficial to your needs.